Yes, you should flush your water heater. And for most homes, the right cadence is once per year to prevent sediment buildup and keep efficiency high. Here is how to do it safely and thoroughly. First, turn the thermostat to vacation or pilot for gas, or switch off the breaker for electric. Then let the tank cool for at least 1 hour to reduce scald risk, while still keeping the water warm enough to carry sediment. Connect a standard garden hose to the tank drain valve, and run the hose to a driveway or other concrete area, since hot, mineral-rich water can burn grass and stain pavers. Close the cold water supply to the heater at the top inlet, then open a nearby hot faucet to prevent vacuum lock and to monitor flow. Lift the temperature and pressure relief valve lever briefly to admit air so the tank drains faster and more completely. Open the drain valve and let the tank empty. Then pulse flush by briefly opening the cold supply in short bursts until the water runs clear. Close the drain, remove the hose, close the temperature and pressure relief valve, reopen the cold supply, and once the tank is full and air is purged from a hot faucet, restore power or relight the gas burner and check for leaks. The biggest mistakes tend to be simple. People skip the cool down and end up with scalding water or softened plastic hoses. Give it at least an hour and use a rubber washer in the hose to prevent leaks. Many drain onto lawns or beds and kill plants. Always discharge to concrete or a floor drain and keep pets away since the water can be very hot and mineral heavy. Folks often leave power on for electric units while draining, which can burn out heating elements. Always cut power before lowering water level, then only restore power once the tank is full and air is bled. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help you turn this kind of maintenance plan into action by finding local water heater pros when you need help or when you decide replacement beats another repair. We also help contractors connect with homeowners who are ready to hire, and we host a friendly discussion community where we trade practical tips and real-world advice about projects like this.